So, hi students and little brothers and sisters. Today I am just going to explain a complex topic in maths. As you guys are newly promoted from class 9 to 10, so math has just shifted the game changing of your life. In class 10th, you have to face boards exam, and maths is going to be the most difficult and toughest exam, and the boards that you have to face and have difficulty. So the first thing that today we are going to understand in class 10 math syllabus is that the core concepts of mathematics. What are the main chapters and the most critical conquer chapters that you have to complete at very first chapter that I would like to suggest you is that your midpoint theorem. Let me erase the board at first. So if you guys are new to the channel, please do a like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss the new videos outcoming there. The first chapter that you guys should focus is on midpoint, very common to you, theorem. As you guys know that this is the one of the most toughest chapters in our maths, and I am just going to explain this at a very simple way. You guys won't believe me how simply I can just solve these question answers. Okay, and the second most hard chapters is your linear equations. This is linear equations, one of the most second hardest chapter that ever every brilliant and genius student face problem in solving these answers. I am going to give you a shortcut trick so that you can just easily solve all these questions. And the third chapter hard is logarithms and indices. Logarithms and indices are both vice versa connected. Okay, indices. So the first thing that I'm just going to start is with, I would like to clear your base doubt or questions. What is the base problem you guys are facing? So the very best thing I'm just going to solve is rational and irrational numbers. I'm very excited and hunger to just make all of you guys understand so that you can destroy your exams and score 100 exams. This is rational numbers. Okay, I am going to make you understand. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 1. You guys need to put a minus in this side, in the left side. And 1, 2, 3. This is also known as integers. And rational numbers, this is known as integers. And rational numbers are in this way. 2 by 3. Let me erase it. The ink is not coming properly, you guys know. 2 by 3. 4 upon 1 by 10. These are kind of known as rational numbers. And the third thing that is irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are this one, and this is rational number. You guys both got a difference between rational and irrational number. It's very actually easy to understand all this complex topic. The thing that you can remember that what is integers, what is rational, and what is irrational is that you guys can see whenever you see both right and left side, there is a 0 in center, and the both number have infinity directions. That means it has no limit. It can have no limit of numbers. You can't even finish the counting of numbers. These are those. These are known as integers. Okay, these are known as integers, and these numbers are known as rational numbers. Sorry, not rational numbers. At first, let's start with this one. Okay, these are known as irrational number, and this one are known as rational numbers. Rational number and irrational number. Why is it known as irrational number? As because you can see there, it is too much complex. No, there is 3 characters involved, and here only 2 characters are involved. 1 and 2. And here are 1, here is 2, and it is 3. That's why the board is taking too much, guys. Just ignore it, okay? Now the next thing that I'm going to understand you guys is about indices. Okay, wait, no. If I start indices, that will be very hard for you guys to understand. So I will just start with compound interest. Yes, this is compound interest, and this is very common and simple in terms of business and day-to-day life. Compound interest. If your father takes a loan from the bank, then you guys have to see that if your father pays loan and takes interest, there are 2 types of interest: simple interest and compound interest. The bank mostly targets for compound interest as because they earn more much then compound interest as compared to what is it called, simple interest. So this is SI, this is CI. Both looks same, only S difference, but in terms they are very much different. Compound interest is very complex. I don't think so. Oh, it is not such complex. But if you guys take understand from me a lesson, then it is very easy. If you guys want a private mentorship for me, you can contact me through my number given here. From a one-on-one live class, a super class, which you guys can join. This is the number. You can contact me below, chat me on WhatsApp, DM me, anything. I will be in contact with you. Simple interest means that when you borrow from bank, when you borrow rupees 1 lakh from bank, this is bank, okay? When you borrow rupees 1 lakh from a bank, 1 lakh from a bank, and if you take a time year of time equal to 3 years, then the period, the loan amount, the interest amount here, it is either it is P or it is I interest, okay? The period interest it will come is approximately 10,000 divided by 3, that is here nearly 32,000 extra you guys have to pay in simple interest. But in 3 years, there are at least 3 by 12. That means 4. There are 4 12 months. You guys understand? 4 12 months. 48 months you guys have to pay the 1 lakh rupee amount, and only 3200 is the loan amount that you guys have to pay in interest. But whatever in compound interest, that is totally different. Compound interest is a way that is designed to get you more poorer and they will get more richer, and this trap will never end if you don't pay in time the money. This is simple interest, and this one is compound interest. This one is compound interest. In compound interest, you will notice that if there are 48 months, then in every single month, such as 1 month, 2 months, if in 1 month you guys have to pay 10 rupees, then the next month you guys have to pay 10 rupees plus 10 rupees, and then in the third month you guys have to pay 20 rupees plus 10 rupees, and this is how the month increases and amount increases. This is why compound interest is very bad in terms of loan, because it don't let you get out of this trap. So if you guys understood this topic and the core concepts what I am just going to tell you, then please do like my subscribe channel and just push the bell notifications on so that you don't miss any further videos of this channel, because I just explain this much complex topics so easily. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed, please do a subscribe and don't forget to chat on me on this number or DM me to get a one-on-one live mentorship from me, because it's very cheap, very affordable for people who want to achieve something and develop our country. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Enjoy and learn so that we can grow our country. Bye bye.